Okay, and here's Jersey girl. She is big. She's a big girl. Lots of white, lots of copper coming through. She's got one little corner of her eye. Very outside corners are not quite open all the way, but she is a beauty. Look, baby. Yeah, not too happy. She was asleep, sound asleep, being a good girl. Now she's going to start to wake up a little bit. Go on, Fred. There she is. She smells Fred, I think. Oh, are you perking up? You smell Fred? You smell Fred? Yeah. Here she comes. Nope, Fred. No, dude. Really, Fred. And here's Jersey. Pretty girl. Oh, and there's Fred. Oh my gosh. I think I didn't even like video most of that. Get down.